Hi, I'm Tom with Bob Hamilton Plumbing. I'm the manager of the sewer department, and I'm here to talk to you today about your sewer. Lots of different things. One thing, the most common thing here in the area is tree roots that grow in through the sewer pipe. You could actually have a backup from the things that you put down the sewer through the toilets. So baby wipes, baby diapers, anything that goes down a toilet that shouldn't, or any drain can cause backups. Also, if the piping has collapsed or shifted, so to speak, that can cause a sewer backup. I would say anytime they've had a backup in their sewer line, they should consider replacing it if it is made of old materials. And the only way to figure that out is to have the camera out to camera the sewer line. You know, you can't tell the age or the health of the sewer without putting a camera inside of it and looking from the inside. So most people who have issues with their sewer know it because it's happened multiple times, and they understand that there's something wrong with it. That's why they continue to have backups. If you have any more questions about anything we've talked about, just give us a call.
Bob Hamilton Plumbing, heating and AC. Call 888-4BLB. Remember 911.